realized that this production equipment from Langzauner is highly suitable for this kind of process technology. The companies Langzauner and SGL Composites have been partners for many years. Our cooperation started in 2012 with the first 650-ton presses for RTM parts that we are manufacturing for the company Audi in Germany. We also installed further 1,600-ton presses for leaf spring applications, especially for Volvo. We are able to manufacture more than 500,000 pieces per year on 2 production lines that are equipped each with Langzauner presses. And lately we installed a 1,200-ton press for wet press applications. We are also doing SMC with Langzauner presses that we have here in our plant in Ort, and we realized over the last couple of months that this production equipment from Langzauner is highly suitable for this kind of process technology for carbon fiber SMC. What we treasure and appreciate a lot is the price-performance ratio that Langzauner is providing, and for sure the short reaction times that we see. If we have an issue during our serial production, we need immediate reaction, and this is what Langzauner can provide and what Langzauner has proven many times over the last couple of years. We see each other with mutual trust and respect, which is the basis for our very good cooperation.